Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys, but first I just wanted to thank everybody that is subscribing to my channel. It's so crazy how my channel is just growing. It's so crazy, but thank you guys so much for that. And make sure that you leave some comments down below so I know that you're new, and say hi to me because I want to say hi to you. And yeah, make sure you give this video a like and stuff like that. But let's get right into the video. So right here I'm just gluing on some nail tips, and as you guys know, I do double my nail tips, but I did cut them a little bit shorter than normal. I just wanted to try something out, so I didn't want to make them too long. I just wanted to see if it actually worked. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually encapsulate gel nail polish in acrylic. I know, so crazy, but one of my subscribers had been telling me about this for a little while now, so I tried it out, and that's why I haven't posted a video of my nails recently, because I actually had these nails on for a couple of days just to try it out and see. But you're gonna see in my new video that I post on when is it, probably one of these days, they did not want to come off, so these nails stood on, and the last nails stood on. So these things actually work. I'm so surprised. The Kiss, that little acrylic kit thing, girl, it works. Okay, so go get you one and try it out, test it, okay sis, because it works, honey. So like I was saying, in today's video we're going to be encapsulating gel polish. I know that's something new, but my subscriber told me about it, and it was actually a couple of you guys, not just one. So you guys were telling me about it, and I was like, oh, you know what, that sounds like a plan, because you be trying to save these coins and I be trying to save my money. And yeah, these colored acrylics nowadays, it's kind of pricey, it's expensive. So this is kind of like a good alternative, especially if you don't have the color but you have the color in gel polish, and they're like, oh, I want to do this color but I want to do all acrylic. This is like the perfect thing to do, and I'm telling you one thing, it works. It's so crazy that it works. So I've already prepped my nails. I did all of that. I do prep my nails. I know a lot of you guys were asking me if I take these nails off after the video. I do not take them off right away after the video. I normally wait a couple of days, and these videos are normally pre-recorded, because I do want to test them out and make sure that they last, because I don't want to come on here and be like, oh yeah, they're perfect, and then once I shut off the camera it's like they're coming off. So I do like to wait a couple of days. And this set, I tell you one thing, listen here, okay, it lasted. It lasted a couple of days. I normally wait for a couple of days because you can tell if it's going to lift or it's going to do something that just doesn't seem right after a few days or even a week. So that's normally how long I wait, and these nails lasted. It did really good. And I'm just using Madame Glam's yellow. What I was doing before was I put a thin layer of clear acrylic, just so that way the gel polish doesn't lift off of the natural nail. So now that I put a thin layer of clear acrylic, I'm just going to go in with my gel polish. And like I said, I just put the thin layer of clear acrylic just so I can protect the natural nail. And not only that, just so that way the gel polish doesn't lift off of the natural nail, because I did do a full nail and not a half. And also you're using nail tips, so it's kind of like you can prep the nail tips and buff them and stuff like that, but instead of doing all of that, I just put the clear acrylic just to protect them, and it doesn't slide off of the nail tips, because the nail tips have a shiny base and all this stuff. So I'm just taking Madame Glam's Bright Honey, and I'm just doing a ombre and one full nail. And then after that I will be taking Madame Glam's Let's Jazz, and I'm going to be mixing it with acrylic. I'm going to be mixing it with glitter on both nails, and then star glitter on the other one. So as you can see right here, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna tell you this because, listen, your girl was trying to be cute and try to pat down the yellow on the nail, and no boo, I did not have time for that. So I ended up just literally dipping my brush in and scooping the glitter up and throwing it on there, because no, listen, do you see that pattern? I was gonna be there all day. Don't nobody got time for that. So watch, you're gonna see that I take the brush and I literally just dip the thing in there, There we go. Your girl don't got time for all that extra stuff. You hear me? No. I was trying to be cute, and no, sis. We not being cute today. Nope, not gonna happen. So now I'm going to be taking Let's Jazz, and I actually ended up putting those stars that are on the side of the video on this nail, and you couldn't see it. So yeah, but you can see it in person, which is weird. It looks like encapsulated, like nice iridescent stars, but you really can't see it on the camera. But it's okay, I can see it in person. I wish y'all could see it, but you can't. And yeah, that's my fault, because I've really been dying to use this glitter, and I kind of want to do like a clear nail with this glitter, like this star glitter. That one was too big, don't really got time for that. But I want to do like clear nails with this star glitter. If you guys want to see that, let me know down below, because I want to do my nails in this glitter. I'm fiending for it, y'all. Oh, you can actually see it a little bit right there. So I'm just going to be adding a second coat to all the ombre nails. And yeah, and I'm just going to cure it, make sure that it's fully cured and fully dry. Especially if you're doing thick coats, you want to make sure that it's completely dry. Madam Glam doesn't really give me a problem with drying, so that's the great part about Madam Glam. I love them. Also, a lot of you guys were asking me about coupon codes. I have a coupon code for Beauty Big Bang and Madam Glam. I don't get anything from them. They just send me their products, so it's not like sponsored or whatever, you know, like I don't get paid for working with them, but I do love the company. Like, I love both of them. They're bomb.com and their products are bomb. So yeah, you guys know that I swear by their top coat. But right here, I'm just taking Cover Beige by Mia's Secret, and I'm just going to be doing the ombre, and I did wipe it with alcohol, the gel polish, just so that way I can take off that shiny part and it's nice and dull and it'll stick. And that's about it. Also, a lot of you guys are new here, so I just want to go over some things. You guys have been asking lots of questions. One of the biggest questions was, do I actually wear my nails really long like this? And yes, I do. If you are a old subscriber, you guys know that I love wearing my nails super long. It's just part of me. It's just how I like them. Please don't judge me, but that's just what I like and what I like to wear. So yes, I do wear them long like this, sometimes even longer. And it's just my preference and what I like. And yeah, so I do wear them long like this, but I do like to do a lot of long nail videos, so I do switch them out every so often. Another question that you guys asked me were, what are the nail tips that I'm using? I get them from my local supply store, but you can actually find them on eBay, thanks to my subscribers for finding that out for me. And they are called Eden nail tips, so you can find those on eBay. And a lot of you guys also asked what size pana brush I use, and this is a size 8. I also use a size 12, a 14, and a 16, depending on the day and how I'm feeling. So right here, I'm just encapsulating the ombre. I'm going to be encapsulating the 2 glitter nails too, but I do the ombre nails first. And I just make sure I encapsulate the whole nail, even on the sides. Let's see. Any more questions? You guys have been asking me a lot of questions. I've gained a lot of subscribers throughout the couple of days, so I'm just trying to find out, like, I'm just trying to remember in my head what questions you guys were asking me. Oh, another question was, am I lefty or am I righty? I am a righty, so I do normally do my left hand, but I can do a video of me doing my non-dominant hand, just so that way you guys can see that I too struggle doing the other hand. It comes out nice, but I still struggle. Okay, not just you guys, I struggle too. Is there anything else? Oh, also, yes, I do online classes. I also do face-to-face classes. What else? I don't know, it's so much. But yeah, I will answer more questions as they come. And thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, you guys are awesome. I'm getting so many comments and compliments from you guys, and it's so crazy. Also, a lot of you guys want to see the Mia's Secret acrylic kit that's $17 on Amazon. I ordered that, so that should be coming in I have polygel that's coming in that I ordered. Just cheap stuff that you guys can do your nails at home. You do not have to be a professional. You can practice, you can learn, and do your nails at home and have fun and enjoy it. You know, nails is all about art and enjoying the fun of doing nails. It's not all about being perfect and what color you should pick. It's all about just having fun and being creative. And yeah, so I hope that you guys use these nail kits and find these nail kits where you're located. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram so I can see your designs and see what you come up with, and tag me. Definitely tag me, of course. So right here, I did get these nail drill bits in a little pack of like a couple, and this is a fine drill bit, but I actually ended up changing it to my other fine drill bit because your girl didn't like this one. I like the one that's actually really smooth. I thought this one would work a little bit better, but you can see me switch it out and change it to the one that I actually like because it cleans up the cuticle a little bit more. A lot of you guys were asking me about my drill, and it's the ASO drill from my local supply store. I don't know where else to get it. That's just where I get mine from, so I don't know. I'm so sorry, but if I do find one in the future, I will definitely link it down below in the description box. I know everybody loves the handle because it's so skinny. I love it too. It's like holding a pen, like literally like holding a little pen. I love it. But I didn't get the filing down because I was out of frame the whole time, so I hope you guys forgive me for that. I know that's like your favorite part sometimes to watch. I'm so sorry about that, but here's the filing. I mean the filing and the buffing, I guess. I'm so sorry, but yeah, so the next step is applying top coat, and that's about it. Also, really quick before I let you guys go, I just wanted to mention the yellow part on my drill. One thing I do say about this is it's kind of a little bit messy. I did get gel polish underneath the nail, so it was still wet underneath the nail. So as you can see, my drill bit has a little bit of yellow on it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And if you can see that I'm cleaning up the bottom of the thing because it did have yellow gel polish on the bottom of the nail tip because I'm a messy polisher. If anybody else is out there that is a messy polisher, I'm also a messy polisher. So yeah, it's a little bit underneath the nails, and I was hitting it with my drill, so my drill got yellow on it. So I just wanted to throw that out there. It is a little bit messy. If you're more clean and more neat, hey, yes, get it. But I tell you one thing, this is super affordable, super cheap. You can use any gel polish. You don't need to have colored acrylic, which is so crazy to me because I always thought you have to have gel, you know, you have to have colored acrylic and blah blah blah. So this design right here is what's popping. You hear me? It's really good, super affordable. If you have the colors already in gel form, go for it. Do designs in gel and then encapsulate it. Oh my god, poppin'. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload. And I hope you guys have a good day, and God bless you.